Hi guys, I'm going to make a quick tutorial here on how to use the editable file of the Behavior Starter Pack. I've gotten a couple questions of some people having issues, so I just wanted to get this up so you can hopefully resolve the issue yourself. If there's any random noises in the background, I apologize. I do have my son here with me. So what you want to do is you want to go ahead to your purchase. Actually, before I get started, I have this in my description. Please make sure, if you're having issues, please make sure that you're using the most recent update of Adobe to be able to add text and pictures. You can download it for free. You don't need the paid version from their website. So you're going to go ahead and download it. And I'm going to go to my downloads and find it there. This one is not editable. This one is. So you want to be sure you're opening the editable file. You'll see some boxes like this that you should be able to hover over. And these ones you simply just type into. The majority of the questions I'm getting is about images. So what you want to do here is you want to click where there should be an image, hit browse, find a photo, and then just click OK, and it'll pop right into that box. Like I said before, if you're having issues, it's likely that you're either opening this in a preview mode or an outdated version of Adobe. You need to make sure that you have the most recent update of Adobe. And I'm not sure because I am home now with my son. I'm not sure if some school systems might block certain features. I don't even know if that's possible. But if you're having issues with it on a school computer, I highly suggest trying it at home on a computer at home as well. So here you can again type into the boxes. These ones you can add an image to the same way as the other ones. Just hit OK, and that actually fills up all of them. Here we can add text. I tried to make varying options. So if you wanted to keep the picture and add just a different text than I did, this one you can again add a picture to and text and so on. This goes on for the entire document. If there's something that I missed editing wise that you would like to be able to change, you can shoot me an email. But like even this, so you can change it for different students. So hopefully this helps. When you are done editing, I highly suggest saving it to your desktop as a different file name so that you don't lose it, and printing it from there. All right, thanks guys.